It's so worn out, dude. It won't even come out no matter what you do.
This 1969 Chevy C10 is in need of some TLC. It's getting an engine swap, a new suspension, and some serious work on the floor pans which have rusted through. But the customer wants to keep the original paint job. This truck has a lot of character, and we want to preserve as much as we can while bringing it into the 21st century. But there's a lot of work ahead, so the boys waste no time and start tearing it down.
That way. There it is. Out. There it is. Up, 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 up. There's the firewall. Oh, you heavy son of a gun. That's too loud for a forklift. Biggin and I were able to get this rear axle assembly unassembled, utilizing our oxygen acetylene torch because of, well, you'll see the issues that we encountered. Come look what Biggin's doing. It's so worn out, dude. It won't even come out no matter what you do. Craziness. That's
pull the axle out.
You crushed that. That's awesome.
You know, if you can pull the whole tire and axle all out.
That's going to be super duper heavy.
Yeah, so.
Well, he's got two different type of lengths on here for studs. That does not look too bad though. That's not too worn out at all. Wow, crazy.
Try and catch your shims on that side as they come out. I'll try and get the ones on the side. Here, you get this.
I got this.
Yeah.
Yep. There's a shim.
Cool. All right.
Even in a piece and a half, it won't come out. There it goes. Wow. All right, so this is what we were dealing with right here. So you see that edge right here? That edge right there? It should not have that. It's supposed to be smooth, but you see that ledge right there, dude? That's crazy. And then right down here, mushroomed out and made it impossible to come out. So we had to torch it. That won't even come out. That won't even come out. But this thing was just cooked. Had all the busted teeth on there too. This unit's toast. We are fully disassembled now. We're ready to measure and get all the parts we need coming to get this thing beefed up for an LS to be able to handle that power and handle the giant tires this guy's about to put behind this thing.
Okay, so we want some big wide meats on this here truck. This can be LS powered, so we need a way to get all that power to actually get this to scoot rather than just to spin. So we are going with wider wheel tubs. This will open up the room for the size of the tire that we can put underneath of it without having any rubby scrubbies. So I'm removing the old wheel tubs, and then I'll get the new wider wheel tubs over here, put them in, trace them out, and then make my cut, and then do a final installation. These are super easy. They just bolt in and bolt out, except the bolts are just crusty as all heck and instantly strip out. So my solution is to throw a bunch of hot metal at it to make it stick. Essentially, I'm just going to weld each of the carriage bolts so I can spin them out without having to worry about the fact that it just turns squares into circles. And I'll get it underneath there with an impact, and it'll come out easy breezy, no problems at all. I won't have to backtrack on this because everything I do is flawless the first time. This was my first idea. I didn't try multiple other techniques involving cutting, vice grips, screwdrivers, and other such nonsense. Okay, something like that. Just gotta stick some bolts in it. That. Basically what we're seeing is that on the factory tubs, this flange right here does not exist, which means that this little extra protruding piece in this section is keeping it from sitting flush up against the side of the bed. So I'm just going to take a little whiz wheel, trim that little bit off on both ends, and it should allow it to tuck up right up against here. Okay, already that's fitting better. So I got the tub set in place with bolts on it, so it's located into its proper spot. And then I took my little grease pencil and marked from the inside. So this will be my rough cut line. I'll cut a little bit large, put the tub back in place, and work it inwards. So it's pretty exact. I'm gonna have it pretty flush, that way we're gaining as much real estate for our tires as possible, and I'll make it a nice clean cut that follows the lines of the tub and everything like that. Should be pretty easy, pretty basic. Some aerosol, some whiz wheel, death wheel, bipple bopper, and this thing will be in and tubbed and ready for some meat. Just collapsed my rib cage. Oh gosh. Ta-da. I'm on the front end, so it's not gonna just. Yeah, I'm up here.
Let go. Okay, don't let go. put the jack under. Okay, it's under. Just roll that tire.
Okay, the jack is under it, right?
Oh no. Okay. Oh no.
Oh gosh.
There we go.
The toe.
Oh, the camber.
No, Honda boys, no.
You're cambering the wrong way.
Okay.
It should be this way.
Where are we going, anyways?
I don't know.
Maybe just right in front of this truck. You don't know what you're talking about. You've never driven one of these before. Gosh, thank
You don't even know.
You don't know what a struggle
What are
with.
you doing?
I don't know, dude.
Maybe I should have taken it off in more pieces than one. Here, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Just right
And not like that.
in front of the truck is what I was thinking.
Let's go back just this way.
Oh gosh.
You go back a little bit. Okay. Now you kick it all the way around.
You should
That
have
spring is not even in the pocket.
Screw.
Yeah, upside down.
I just wanted to stay. Oh my gosh. What a
good.
piece of junk.
It's good. Leave it alone.
It's good enough. He's just like, wah. Must have busted through about 30 rivets and took 2 years off my life with that.